Hi everyone. I just got something from my mail. Unbox with me the Jinhao 1919 in the two colors that I still have not gotten yet. It is the navy blue and the transparent blue. I have gotten mine in the acrylic case even though it is much higher price without the case because it is a really good quality case and I can use it to store these big pens without a hassle. It is also double purpose because you can use it as a pen holder while you are writing on your desk. Okay, let's remove the manual first. Then let's also remove the Ziploc bags. If you ask me if I like big pens, I do like them, but generally I use any sizes of pens. I actually like the Moonman Wangkai, the Kaweco pocket pens. I also like the regular size pens. I use gel pens too, but this Jinhao 1919 is just beautiful. The navy blue actually looks different depending on the lighting. When you're on the dark environment, it actually looks like black. And when you're in the bright environment, it will look like more blue. For the transparent blue, it has a bit of a green hue on it. It is much darker than what I have expected, but either way, it is still a very nice color. The first one that I got was the black. I have been using it for about 3 times. I have inked it up 3 times by now. It's been about a month. And for the burgundy one, I have used it once. Then we have the transparent white. If you like demonstrator pens, you will definitely like this color. And for the last one, we have the transparent red, which gives me a Valentine vibes, a Christmassy vibes. Overall, the Jinhao 1919 is really a great pen. It just depends on your preference. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time.